Mga idol, kini nga video mga idol is about bird pit lang gihapon. Pero this time, pyramid na pud mga idol. No, kung pila ka bird pit ang pyramid, no? Pyramid measurement is base area is 7 inches by 7 inches. Then the height is 28 inches, no? So, ato sang balikan ang formula sa bird pit, no? Standard formula for bird pit thickness measured by inch times width measured by inch times length measured by feet over 12, no? So, pyramid volume standard formula, volume equals 1/3 base area times height, no? So, napaisa ka formula. Pyramid volume is base area times height over 3. Then, the last one, pyramid volume equals volume base area times height divided by 3. No? Kani atong gamiton nga sumada mga idol para kausalan tamo bagis. So, di ana ang atong bird pit formula for the pyramid. Bird pit equals base area times height divided by 3 over 12. Okay. So, measurement again. Measurement. Base area is 7 by 7 inches. Then the height is 28 inches. Convert into foot or feet is 2.33 feet, no? Atong i-convert sa feet kay mugamit tag over 12. Okay. So, dara ang sumada mga idol. Proper equation of math operation, no? So, dara atong putol-putolon. So, bird feet equals base area times height divided by 3 over 12. Then, simplify. 7 inches times 7 inches times 2.3 feet over 12. Then, simplify. Okay, dara. Simplify pa. Bird feet equals 144.17 square inch divided by 3 over 12. So, baba. Bird feet equals 38.056667 over 12. So, ang atong sumada mga idol is 3.1713889 bird feet, no? So, ang pyramid volume mga idol is 3.1713889 bird feet. So, kana lang mga idol, ug daghang salamat.